In the quiet of the night, Timo and Lyapita gather beside Mother Susan, their faces lit by the soft glow of a lantern. The air is thick with the comforting scents of firewood and warm pap, wrapping them in a blanket of peace. Timo clutches his toy drum, his eyes sparkling with anticipation. Lyapita snuggles close to her mother, seeking warmth and reassurance in the protective embrace. In the soft glow of the hut, Mother Susan's loving smile radiates warmth, her eyes sparkling with untold stories. She leans in, her voice a hushed whisper. "Tonight," she whispers, "I'll tell you an ancient African folktale, the story of how the elephant lost his wings. In the ancient days of the African savanna, an elephant flies through the sky. He is the biggest animal, feared by all. A winged elephant soars over the jungle, its shadow a harbinger of chaos. Trees fall before the elephant's might, monkeys scattered by gusts of wind. From the disrupted canopy, a desperate plea. Great elephant, why do you do this?" The elephant's laughter echoes through the jungle as he declares, "Because I can." From the heavens, the sky gods look down, their expressions reflecting their displeasure. The wise owl soars toward the sky gods, a beacon of hope against the looming storm. With reverence, Owl addresses the deities. "O mighty ones, this proud creature has forgotten his heart." The elephant soars through the sky as the sun rises, painting the savanna in gold. The sky darkens ominously, signaling a dramatic shift in the weather. Thunder roars and lightning cracks, heralding the arrival of the storm. The wind spirit descends, its presence marked by a sudden gust of wind. The elephant's wings vanish, leaving him helpless against the pull of gravity. He plummets to the earth, the impact echoing across the savanna. From their secret lairs, the animals emerge, silent witnesses to the elephant's humbling moment. The mighty elephant rises, his frame now a symbol of remorse. "Forgive me," he says, his voice echoing with regret across the savanna. The elephant walks on the ground, strong and grounded. He moves with newfound dignity. He never again soars through the sky. The elephant learns to respect all creatures. Mother Susan smiles warmly at Timo and Lyapita. "Even the mighty must be humble," she says. Lyapita listens intently, absorbing Mother Susan's words. "So, the elephant was taught a lesson?" Lyapita asks, her brow furrowed slightly. Mother Susan nods, her voice resonating with wisdom. "Yes, and now has the strongest on land, not because he flies, but because he learned respect." A gentle breeze rustles the thatched roof of the hut, carrying the scent of herbs and earth. Timo claps his hands, his eyes sparkling with delight. "I love that story, Mama. Can we tell our friends tomorrow?" Timo asks, his voice filled with eagerness. Mother Susan smiles warmly. "Of course. Stories are meant to be shared, just like kindness."